About this item: extend a network port for your device. This USB-C, Thunderbolt 3 compatible, Gigabit Ethernet adapter offers a convenient and inexpensive way to extend or replace an RJ45 port for your devices. In addition, it's a perfect choice for a device that is without a network port or network port failure to connect to the wired network. 1000 Mbps hyperspeed. UGREEN Gigabit USB-C to Ethernet adapter can reach up to 1000 Mbps data transfer speed, giving a full play to the performance of your network and ensuring stable network speed for you to online working, meeting, classing, gaming, HD video streaming, upload, download, and more. Plug and play. UGREEN USB-C to LAN adapter is driver free for Windows 11/10/8.1/8, Mac OS, iPad OS, Chrome OS, and Android systems. Just plug in and enjoy a smooth wired network. Widely compatible, UGREEN USB-C to Ethernet adapter is compatible with most laptops, tablets, smartphones, Nintendo Switch, and Steam Deck with USB-C or Thunderbolt 3 port, like MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, Mac Mini 2023, M2, Pixelbook,